Myself Ashutosh Kumar Singh. I am here to start our third chapter. Third chapter is trigonometric function. In trigonometric function, first of all we have to discuss what is the meaning of the trigonometric. Trigonometric, it means tri plus gono plus metri. Tri it means 3 plus gono. Gono means side, metri means measurement. Where we have to measure the three sides of a triangle. Three sides means triangle, also triangle. It means where we have to measure the three sides of a triangle is called the trigonometry. Now we have to use in the function, that's why this chapter name is the trigonometric function. Now in trigonometric function, first of all we have to think about the degree. It means angle. Angle, it means how we can say that the angle will be originated. It means one initial line here. One initial line passes through the vertex, and after that, from that point, one terminal side is there. It means in between them, initial and terminal sides. In between initial and terminal sides, the angle will be generated. Now here we have to measure in angle. There are two types. First is the degree measure, where we told 1 degree, 2 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Another is the radian measure. Now degree measure, it means if a rotation from the initial side to terminal side is 1/36 of a revolution. It means where a line terminated from initial to terminated side 1/360 of a revolution. It means is called the degree measure. It means this is the degree measure. Now in the radian measure, this is another unit for measurement of an angle. Now 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the measurement of the angle in another form. So we have to remember this one. Now is the next point, relation between the degree measure and radian measure. Now there are two type of the measurement, the relation between these type of measurement. Now first is the radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into degree measure, and degree measure is equal to 180 upon pi into radian measure. Now in the first question of your exercise is given, change the degree measure into the radian measure. Now degree measure is 25. So we have to, if degree measure is given, we have to use first relation. And if radian measure is given, we have to use the second relation. Now radian measure is equal to pi upon 180 into degree measure. It means 5/36. Sorry, 25 degree. Now 25 cancel out, 5 5 is 25, 5 36 is 180. Now we get 5 pi upon 360. It means the value of the radian measure is the 5 pi upon 36. Now in the third question is given here, a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. A wheel it means revolute 1 minute 360 rotation through how minute through. Now again we have to study the question, through how many radian. How many radian. Now here we have to clear how many radian does it turn in 1 second. Now in 1 second, how many radian it turn. Now 1 minute 360 revolution, but we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 360 upon 60. 66 0 cancel out, 6 6 is 36. It means in 1 second 6 revolution it will be covered. Now 1 second is equal to 6 revolution. In 1 revolution covered 2 pi. Now we know that, suppose that in a circle, this is the 1 revolution and half part cover pi and half part cover pi. Total 2 pi cover in 1 revolution. So we have to write here, in 1 revolution covered 2 pi radian. Now then 6 revolution cover, 6 into 2 pi, it means 12 pi. So 1 second 6 revolution cover in 1 second. So 1 second, 1 second cover 12 pi radian. Now in question number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter. In a circle is here, diameter 40 centimeter, so radius. This is the center O, A, B. Now OA, the diameter will be 40, so OA will be 20. The length of the chord is 20 centimeter. This is the length of the chord AB. AB is the 20 centimeter. Now this is 20, so this one is 20. All these three sides are equal. The angle will be 60 degree. Why? Because of equilateral triangle. So theta is equal to 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60. We have to convert in the, suppose that we have to write here 60 degree. That's why 63 is 180. Pi by 3 will here. So theta is equal to pi by 3. This is in the radian form. Now theta is equal to formula L upon R, and L is equal to theta into R. Why we have to use here L is equal to? Because of the question asking about find the length of the minor arc of the chord. It means this one is asking about this is the L. So L is equal to theta. Theta it means pi by 3, and R will be 20. So 20 pi by 3. This is the length of the minor arc of the chord. Now in the question number 7, first part. Now in question number 7 is here. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip. Describe an arc of length. First question in 10 centimeter. Now this is the pendulum. Now here is this is the pendulum. When we have to remove from this one, so what will be the value of this one? 75. So when it will be moved from here to here, this one will be also 75. It means radius is equal to 75 centimeter, and L, length of arc, it means this one will be 10 centimeter. Now it is asking about the theta. What will be the theta? The theta is equal to L by R. L is equal to 10 centimeter and R is equal to 75. 5 2 is 10. 5 15 is 75. So theta is equal to 2 by 15. Now question number 7. Two more part is there. 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter length of arc is given, and 21 centimeter length of arc is given. Now similarly we have to find, by using this formula, we have to find the radian measure of these two more problems. Thank you.